Hello and welcome to Mr. P's Fun Family Challenge. As you can see, I have gone for a rather fetching new look, but it's just a one-off, fortunately, because it's all about celebrating World Book Day this week. And my challenge for you at home is to see if you can recreate one of your favourite book covers a little bit like this, which is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, of course. But you can choose any story you like. But I don't want you to worry if you haven't got anything to dress up in. That's absolutely fine. You could send in a picture and illustrate your favourite book cover via Seesaw, or you might be able to write your own story and create your own character that you could dress up as. Anything like that that shows your love for reading and your passion for reading sounds really great to me. So if you can send those in, I look forward to seeing them, and I will give you some feedback next week. Have fun. See you soon.